Hello, this is Jared with the iPhone app podcast. Today we're going to take a look at an app called Hanoi Plus, which is the 99-cent version of this game. There is two versions. One is the free version, and the other one is 99 cents, which is the one that we're looking at. Basically, this is a puzzle game, and you may have seen it before. It requires a little bit of thinking and I'm still trying to figure it out because I'm just not good at games like this, as I've said in other podcasts. But it starts out as just a stack of circles, and you have 3 to 10 to start out at here. So these are different levels, and of course the more in the stack, the more difficulty. And you're racing time, not that you're going to run out of time, but that as you improve in this game, the amount of time it takes for you to complete these puzzles will decrease. So it's a mathematical game in a sense. It consists of three little spaces. Usually in the actual game, they're rods which you slide these circles over the top of, and there's different size discs which can slide onto any rod. The puzzle starts here. Let me give you something to look at. The puzzle starts with the discs neatly stacked in order of size, of course, on one side, the smallest at the top. So it makes kind of a cone shape. The object of the puzzle is to move the entire stack to another section, obeying the following rules. Only one disc may be moved at a time. Each move consists of taking the upper disc from one of the pegs and sliding it onto another peg, but there's no pegs in this case. Keep in mind I'm reading this because I've been trying to figure this out and learn it on my own, and it is quite difficult. So you're moving them one at a time on top of another disc that may already be present in that space. No disc may be placed on top of a smaller disc. So when I move one over here, I have to move this one over here, and then I have to move this one here, I have to move this one here, and then move that one there and that one. See what I mean? So now I'm kind of screwed because I've got to backtrack here. There we go. See how it works? Now, it's confusing, and I say that because as you get to a higher level, it gets very difficult, because you've got less space to move more objects. So let's see if I could do... See, I think I've already screwed myself. Anyhow, so you're going to be going back and forth here. As you get farther into this game, you're going to be going back and forth, and you're going to get frustrated, but it's a lot of fun. It keeps your time here, tells you what level you're on over here. You can click here to get back to the menu and view records, of course. It keeps track of how well you've been doing. So this game's actually, it's a lot of fun, but it's confusing, and it's confusing in the fact that it just gets difficult because... yeah, it's difficult. So the game's called Hanoi Plus, basically named after a Vietnamese temple or something like that. There's a place in Vietnam called Hanoi. I don't know, but it's a fun game. 99 cents, definitely worth it. You could try the free version of regular Hanoi online, not online, but on your iPhone, and see what you think, and then definitely go and purchase this 99-cent version, because the levels there's many more levels, and gives you a lot more to fight for. So anyhow, that's gonna do it for today's podcast. My name's Jared Hill, and we'll see you next time.